Hello, this is Elizabeth Wood. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about Donald Trump and the First Lady contracting COVID-2, which is coronavirus 19. I will talk to you about the next video that is going to be uploaded after this one. It's a fun video. It's something that it's the first time I did a video outside my apartment. Okay? Alright then, let's get on to the next page. Hello, everybody. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Have a good day, people. And I'm not signing off. Well, I came across a live stream this morning on MSNBC, early today's show. I think it was MSNBC or NBC. That Donald Trump and the First Lady has contracted COVID-2, which is SARS-2 and Corona-19 virus. Now, there he is, so proud of himself that he doesn't wear a mask, that he had rallies with people behind him that does not wear a mask, and there was a prophecy given by Tracy Cook saying that in October, President Trump will be taken out. Now I know what that will be. It will be the coronavirus 19, which is another name for it is COVID-2 or SARS-2. Now, people who are so proud of themselves and they deny the idea that they're not going to get the coronavirus, decide not to wear masks. And some people believe it's a hoax. No, people, it's not a hoax. It's real, it's made. Dr. Yan is a blower whistle. She said that this coronavirus was made in Wuhan at the Wuhan Biological Facility and Biological Core, and it was deliberate to spread out across the globe. And then just recently, I learned here on YouTube that the aerosol spreads just like smoke. They gave an example of smoke. Now, let me give you an example of smoke. I've been going to my company's Christmas parties for years. Of course, I haven't been gone the last 20 years because I'm not working there anymore. And people were smoking cigars and cigarettes, and then there was a smell of alcohol and stale cigarettes and all that at a party. I come home from the party, and the dress that I wore at the party smelled like a cigarette. It smelled like I'd been smoking. And the smell of the alcohol and the cigars and cigarettes on my dress that I wore. Now that's how the aerosol of coronavirus is being spread. It isn't being spread by hand. It's being spread in the air. And it does fall. It does fall. I wish I could give you an example of how it works. I got this hand lotion, the sanitizer here. I'm going to give you an example as to how the here's my cloth here. I don't know if you're going to see it, but the aerosol, I'm going to use my hand sanitizer as an example. Now you're going to watch this. See that? See, this how the aerosol. Now I smell the sanitizer. It's still in the air. And it came down on the paper I have here. I don't think you can see that. I don't think. Let's see. I can smell it. I can smell it. It landed on my paper. Yep. So the aerosol spray is sprayed purposely. And somehow, just before the debate, of course I saw it so many times about the debate, and before the debate, President Trump and Melania have been around people with no mask on. And not only that, but I got a feeling, it might not be true, but it's just my feeling that somebody had purposely sprayed the aerosol spray around Donald Trump and around the other people with no mask on. They were standing around with no mask on. So, it doesn't hurt to wear a mask and to protect yourself from giving COVID too. Don't be so just smart that you think you're not going to get it, because, or think it's just a hoax or anything like that. Do not ever think that. Never think that during the pandemic that we're having now. The CDC and the World Health Organization are doing their best to warn people and to put out guidelines to protect us from getting the COVID too. I go to my doctor's appointments and I wear my mask. And during my visit with the doctor or with a nurse practitioner, I have my mask on all through that time. The only time I take my mask off is after I get in the car. I take my mask off because I know my car doesn't have COVID too. But remember, you got to use the hand sanitizer, and you got to wash your hands frequently all day. Even when you go into a public restroom, wear your mask. Because people are going in there and not wearing masks, and the aerosol coming out of their mouth is all over the bathroom. So when you go into the public bathroom or restroom, wear your mask. You're supposed to wear your mask in the stores in the doctor's office, in the lawyer's office, any office, you're supposed to wear your mask. Otherwise, you're going to get COVID too. And I mean it. Mainly the senior citizens like me. I'm 77 years old, and Donald Trump is 74. He has underlying condition, health condition. And now that he's tested for positive, he's going to end up in the hospital on the ventilator sooner or later. He's going to be taken out. He's not going to be our president for a while. I guess Vice President Pence might have gotten it too because he's with him. So these people who go around with their head in the air and say, "Oh, I'm not going to wear a mask. I'm not going to get the COVID too. No, I'm not going to get the COVID too. No." And here is President Trump being arrogant. He ignores the CDCs and the whole the World Health Organization. He doesn't follow the rules, doesn't he? He comes out and gives his briefings to the press with no mask on. And then his colleagues stand right beside them with their mask on. They got their mask on, but no, Donald Trump don't have his mask on. They come into the briefing room with no mask on. And guess what? They don't stand 3 feet apart. They're closer together than 3 feet apart when the briefing is going on in that room. I have a deaf person that lives over across the way in the apartment A on Cecil Street. And he comes over and he communicates with his family through me. I put my mask on because I don't know where he's been or anything. I look out the window and his car's gone. So it's a wonder he doesn't contract the virus, you know. And he comes in here and then he wants me to call one of his members of his family. And guess what he does? He does this to talk to me. Well, I said, boy, I'm glad I have my mask on him. I'm glad I do. Even though we sound muffled, we are to wear a mask. If we do not want a COVID-2, we are to wear a mask and wash our hands and use the sanitizer whenever available. Now here's another thing. I like John MacArthur. He's a good minister. He preached right from the Bible, directly from the Bible, and he preaches from the Bible. And he is one of the few of all the Christians throughout the world that preaches directly from the Bible. Well, guess what? So many people are coming into a sanctuary with no mask. Now, one of these times, John MacArthur is going to contract the COVID-2. And just a matter of time that he's going to get it. Because he is so proud that he isn't wearing a mask, and he keeps telling us that the congregation they haven't been in the hospital or they haven't had tested positive for the virus. Wow, man, this is really. I was wondering why Tracy Cook said that President Trump. Now, Tracy Cook is a prophet. He claimed to be a prophet, but he's a false prophet. Let's put it that way. He claims that he predicted that Donald Trump will be taken out. Well, guess what? The coronavirus is taking him out. He's going to end up on the ventilator. I'm willing to bet that he is going to end up on the ventilator. And because of his underlying condition, health condition, it's going to be hard for him to get out of that ventilator. He might not make it. Who knows? This is my theory on this. And like I said, John MacArthur and all others who think they're not going to get the coronavirus by not wearing a mask is fooling themselves. They are deceiving themselves into thinking that. And it's, I'm going to take this off because there's nobody in my apartment. I just put in that for example. Vice President Biden, he goes up there on the podium with his mask on, and then he takes it off after he gets there. That is a mistake. It's a wonder he didn't get it on the debate night, because it was before the debate that Donald Trump was around other people who had symptomatic system of COVID-2, which does not show. So people, I'm going to have to repeat this to you, even though they are opening up the businesses, opening up the schools. Do not leave your home. If you don't have to leave your home, stay home. Stay away from the crowd. Wash your hands frequently. And take yourself temperature. Because I don't have a thermometer here. I should be testing mine, but I don't have one right now. I was surprised this morning when I turned on the YouTube. I saw that on the Microsoft Edge. I saw the videos two or three times. President Trump and the First Lady has contracted coronavirus. COVID-2, SARS-2. It was created by somebody in the biological level 4 lab in Wuhan, China. And it was deliberately spread around the world by using the aerosol can. I think they used the aerosol can to spread it. And they do it without nobody's looking. And I think maybe that's what happened. That somebody sort of mixing around Donald Trump, and he has sprayed the aerosol, and then his colleagues or whoever he was around contracted it, and then he got it. I think that was done purposely. That's my theory. So I thank you for watching. And I have a new video I'm going to upload. I'm going to start premiering new videos on prior videos like this one. I have a video going to be uploaded here. Me not feeding, but I saw the ducks on Canandaigua Lake. Yeah, I took pictures of the ducks. I took videos of the ducks, and they were bobbing their tails up and going down into the water, and ooh, I will give you a preview of that video following this. So, this is Elizabeth Wood Education, blog 43. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video with your friends, and look forward to the ducks ducking their heads in the water. So long. I will see you the next time on YouTube and the World Wide Web.